Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAFIT. Today's video is yoga for actors. Let's begin. Okay, stand up nice and tall. Let's check. Your feet, four corner of feet pressing down strong, ground yourself. Because as an actor, everything, all energy power come from floor, ground, right? So let's check out your stance. So four corner pressing down strong and tuck your pelvis and engage your core. And roll your shoulders down, shoulders bring it down away from ears. Imagine you are keeping your placement of breath down to the core. Okay? You don't want to do shallow breath, right? When you speak, you want to speak from your core. Engage core and use your floor to use power, project power to the audience, right? Okay? So now check a nice basic standing, right? And from here, because of the voice, you want to free up your chest. So inhale, exhale, each vertebra tuck your chin, roll down. Feel free to soften your knees. And inhale, exhale, roll up. Inhale, exhale, roll down. So you don't want to tense up your chest, neither shoulders. By rolling up and down, we are releasing all tension on your upper body. And you want to bring this tension to the lower body, right? Exhale down. Deep breath in. Roll up. Activate each vertebra to create space between. And loosen up your spine. Exhale down. Inhale, exhale. And one more. Inhale, exhale down. And roll up. Okay, now let's rotate your shoulders. Big rotation of your shoulders. Loosen up your chest. Loosen up your shoulders. So you may hear from director or instructors or teacher, relax your chest, relax your shoulder, right? So this is a good way to release any tension on your upper body area. Good. Now, interlace your hands behind, shoulder blades together, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and shoulders again down, away from ears. Open up your chest. Lift up your sternum a little bit, back bend. Free up your pipe for speaking. Open your throat. Inhale, exhale down. Okay, now from here, toes heels touch. Again, find your power source, core. Okay, all performance energy coming from here, right? So here, check, find your power source and palms together. Again, shoulders down. Use your shoulder blades. Use your serratus anterior muscle to engage. Bring your shoulders down actively. Here, it's really hard to breathe when you are engaging your core, breathing from your chest. So imagine by engaging serratus anterior muscle and the core, you are bringing center of breath down here. Okay? And from here, core lifting up. Walk on balance now, crown reaching toward the sky. Ball of your foot pressing down. Engage your core, walk on balance. Center of breath here. And imagine still ball here underneath your 3 centimeter under from your belly button. Still ball, bringing it down. And check your feet. 4 corners of your feet pressing down. Ground yourself. And release. Okay? Now, okay, open your leg. Let's keep your hips square. Bend from the knee. And again, engage your shoulder, engage your serratus anterior muscle to bring your shoulders, bring your arms up. Again, keep space between shoulders and ears. Okay. Inhale, exhale for 1. Breathing forward to engage your back hip forward. Keep hip square 2. Back heel pressing down. Ground yourself. 4. Strengthen leg. And 5. Bring your arm down. Okay, simply turn your hips. Again, square hips. Back heel pressing down. Knee bent, create 90-degree angle. Engage your hip forward. Be aware of your hip placement. Yeah, performance all coming from here. So be aware of the center of gravity. Now shoulders again, create space. Center of breath there, ground yourself and arms up. Interlace your finger except index. 1. Gaze focal point, fix 4. 2. 3. Bring all the blood to your legs. 4. And 5. Now release. From here, heels toes touch. Bring one leg up, maybe here or there or even higher. Okay. Strong supporting leg. Open your chest. Engage your core. 4 corners supporting foot very firmly, strongly pressing down. Create an intimate relationship between your feet and floor. Floor is your friend, my actor friends. And remember, center of breath here. Don't tense up, bring your chest, center of gravity up, down there. And focal point choose has been determined choose because you are not communicate control with audience, right? And study your breath. Breath control your voice. And down. And relax your legs. Again, strong supporting leg. Okay, firmly pressing supporting foot down. 4 corner, 10, 5 fingers, 5 toes pressing down. Very strong. And engage your core. Pelvic floor lifting up. Navel to the spine. And tailbone vertically down, reaching to the floor. Okay, now same way, 1 here, there, or even higher. Here, my heel pressing my inner thigh pressing back, so opposition of direction. to create firm, strong presence. Again, check center of gravity, not chest. Bring it to the core, 3 centimeters under your navel. Your focal point toward the audience or acting partner. Direct your focal point, direct your breath, direct your intention. Crown reaching toward the sky, heels pressing down. Open your chest. Inhale, exhale, release, and shake, 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 shake it out. Okay, so wider stance. Toes pointing to the side. Inhale, exhale, breathe, sink your hips down. Don't collapse your knees. Hips right underneath your hips, right underneath your head. And interlace your hand toward the sky. Inhale, exhale, relax. Create space between rib cage. Don't tense up your chest. Inhale, exhale, back. Now inhale, exhale to the opposite side. Inhale, exhale, back. Inhale, exhale again, opposite side. Back to center, strong leg, strengthen your leg. Inhale, exhale to the side. Shoulders away from ears. Back. And now release. Hi, heels, toes touch again. Find your center, ground yourself, and good posture. Engage your core. Feet pressing down, shoulder blades together, open up your chest, free your pipe, relax your upper body. This sequence is for actors to ground themselves and improve their stage presence and breath. I recommend you include this practice with your other warm-ups. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!